In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Solana from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of how much Solana you have available on Kraken, you will be able to transfer it to your Phantom Wallet. So all that you have to do is start this process by going over to Kraken. You can do this through the app or open a web browser and visit the website. Sign into your account, and then by using the options at the left side of the screen, go over to transfer, and you will see the two main transfer types, deposit and withdraw. The one that we are looking for in this video is withdraw. This will allow you to exchange the crypto assets from Kraken into another wallet. So choose withdraw instead of deposit, and now you will be able to enter the amount and the most important thing, the new withdraw address. So you have to input the wallet address from Phantom Wallet here. You can choose the option to add a new withdrawal address and then select it from the list. When you choose add new withdrawal address, you can add a description and then the address itself, which is the most important part. If you don't know how to acquire this address, you can do this through the app. So open the application for Phantom Wallet and you will see your Solana available here. Now you can either tap on Solana, or if you have the receive button available at the top, you can use this instead, whatever you prefer. So either tap on Solana and go to receive, or tap on receive directly from the home screen. Now on the receive window, you will be able to copy the address for Solana, and once this is done, you are basically good to go. You can now go back and input the address that you copied from Phantom Wallet to receive your Solana. I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything is working properly, and then you can send the rest. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Solana from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.